Hey everyone, welcome to Star Flag Media. As always, my name is Anthony. I want to welcome everybody here. Today we're doing an unboxing video for the 8Bitdo Retro Mechanical Keyboard. So this was given to me by one of my closest friends and my cousin for an early birthday gift. So I just want to give him a special shout out. Thanks so much, James. And you may guys might know him here on the channel as Cyclone07. But yeah, let's get to this. So for the unboxing video, I've already removed the plastic that it came in. But as you guys can see there, it is a very much a retro style keyboard in very 1980s fashion to resemble the Nintendo Entertainment System. So I've got here my classic NES from, back when I was a kid. And as you guys can see, this guy's taken a beating or two over the years, but it still works. And yeah, it really does really resemble the Nintendo Entertainment System. So first and foremost, you can just see in the box what we're going to get. On the side of the box here, it says we've got 87 keys, 2.4 gigahertz Bluetooth, or you can use USB. There's PBT keypads, mechanical switches, hot swappable keys, and programmable keys. So, yeah, let's get right to it. This thing is pretty heavy duty. It weighs a good amount. It feels good quality. And yeah, you can use a USB-C cable to attach this to your computer, or you can go ahead and do it wirelessly. So until much further ado, let's go ahead and unbox the 8Bitdo Retro Mechanical Keyboard. All right, so we've got the cool box here. And it comes in a nice satin feeling plastic cover. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go. Okay. So first we just want to take a look at this. It's it's awesome is what it is. So it's got very retro LED light on the corner when it powers on and off. What do we have here? It says caps lock, and we have our can't read that from this angle, but take a look here. It says the S calc. Yeah, so probably the number key, number lock. And yeah, we've got our F buttons up top, and then we've got these very cool retro style switches here for Bluetooth off, Bluetooth on. As you guys can see there, it's flicking. So this is the Wi-Fi or the wireless. You guys can turn that on and off. Very cool. Got the LED light comes right on. What else do we have here? We have a star button. Again, so we've got our I haven't really had an opportunity to look through um, the instruction manuals, but I will in just a moment. And yeah, so we've got the cool retro style NES B and A buttons here at the bottom. So we've got our Windows key, our Alt key. You guys can hear that or not? Let's see. Bring this over closer to the mic. But yeah, it has very nice tactile feel to all the buttons there and the switches, and it's quite nice actually. I love the retro style to it. It definitely screams NES, um, and I'm excited to add this to my repertoire here of my workstation and my gaming station and all of that. So then we got the cool uh, volume button. It feel it's going for that old analog feeling, but it's definitely a switch. If you guys can see, it tags along there, but it rotates all the way around, and you can go back and forth. I love it. It looks very very cool. Um, so yeah, let's take a look to see what else is in the box. Ah, all right. So we've got some stickers here. It looks like Control C, Control V, Control S, SOS, emo, oops, game over, 404, and enter. I'm not sure what I would use this for, but kind of nice of 8-bit though. You know, they always include cool little things like that with their uh, accessories. And we've got the 8-bit though here instruction manual for the mechanical keyboard and all that cool stuff. So, you know, basic manual here in different languages. And we've got a USB cord. So this is the USB-C cord, and it's actually very a nice USB cord. It's not thin, and it looks like it would be, you know, adequate. But it's also got a good length to it. Pause, and then you can, you know, uh, comfortably sit this keyboard anywhere on your workstation or desk. So yeah, USB-C. If you don't want to do Bluetooth and you want to have a more direct connection, you can opt in for USB-C. This was cool here. What we're looking at here is a fast mapping 2-button controller. So we can use these for shortcuts such as Win-D or Win-E, or, you know, Win-G to see your, you know, your frame rate or your screen recordings, whatever you might want to do. So you can take this, and it comes with these very cool retro style. Reminds me of the old the turbo pad. I'm not sure. That's the NES Advantage. That's what it was called. The NES Advantage buttons. And here we've got the 8Bitdo giant B and A buttons. It's got a very good, nice rubber back, so it won't slip around. And yeah, you can hot wire these to program them to do those functions. You can fast map. And awkwardly enough, it's not a USB connection. It is an aux connection, so that is something I was not expecting for the keyboard. And the back of the keyboard itself has those aux connections. We'll take a look at that right now. We'll take a look at the back of the keyboard. So on the back, we see those A, B, X, Y connections here, and we've got the USB-C port right there for the cable. And then, of course, a very nice little nod to Super Mario Brothers and the Nintendo is the little, you know, kickstand here that they have. It is a brick. I'm sorry, this is the dongle. This is the USB dongle. I thought this would be like a little kickstand, but it's not. So yeah, the USB dongle looks like the bricks from Mario Bros. So very cool, and it does say, you know, it's got the 8Bitdo logo on there. I dig it. It's so cool. But yeah, this is really neat to have, and if you are looking for a nice mechanical keyboard, we will test it out, and I'll give you a full review of the keyboard in a future video. But for what I can say is, it is very cool, very nicely packaged. 8Bitdo. Let's see what is this down here? Is this anything special? No, it's just a nice little card there for a warranty perhaps, or a model number. But yeah, 8Bitdo, very cool retro style keyboard, NES style, and yeah, if you guys are looking to pick this up, go ahead and do so. I'm excited to get it to work, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you think you'll be picking up the 8Bitdo keyboard? Are you looking for any other type of mechanical keyboards in particular? Or let me know what you guys would choose as your choice for a mechanical keyboard in the comments below. As always, want to thank you for joining us here, Star Flag Media. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button. We are past 1,000 subscribers. Now we need you to help us reach our next goal. We want to get to the 2,000 subs and get some watch hours. Also, make sure to take a look at our feature films that we have in our playlists, and go ahead, and we've got some suggestions for other videos as well as our weekly podcast, the Star Flag Media Drunken Idiots. As always, I am Anthony, and thank you guys for joining me.